Hello everyone, this is Jinaki from Boutique ABC with another tutorial on how you can check the emails that are coming through your website. Um, Everything that you'll need to do is just go to your website, log into your admin. You can do that by typing at the end of your domain /wp-admin. You'll just need to log into your admin. There on the left side, you will see a navigation and you will have to look for contact forms, which is right here. You'll have to click on it, and any emails that are coming through your website are stored in the database so you can read them later. This is the count. Currently we have 0 emails, but we can do also a test, so I can show you better how you can read your emails. Let's go to the contact page and fill in the form so we can see what is happening in the admin. I will type in just a random email and phone number. This is a test. I will send the email. Currently, the email is sent to the email address that has the forms and also is stored in the database. So if I refresh the page, I should be able to see one email here. So I'll just click on the number that I have here on as a count, and I will see the email that I just received. If I click on the name or email address or anything like that, it will show you all the details with the message that it's included. So that's how you can read your emails through your website directly that are stored in the database. Thank you.